Well, I think there's going to be quite some impact. It's the first time that banks are really forced to opening up and sharing their customer data at their customers' desire. The concrete implications, I think, are very difficult to assess at this junction because there's a couple of unresolved concerns still in terms of liability, authentication, security. And you know, the customer is always the unknown animal in this game, so you never know what will happen. And it's going to be mainly interesting for people who have a diverse set of banking relationships. And I think it will show in the future whether there's many people who will try to use these services or whether they are happy to continue work with a single bank where they have a trusted relationship. I think we are in a situation where many of our clients are exclusively banking with us. We have a very wide offering and we have a very close relationship with our clients, so we hope that clients will continue to stay with us and continue to use our services and manage their relationships in terms of banking with us going forward. However, I think it's a challenge for clients who have multiple banking relationships who may be willing, you know, to aggregate their accounts, aggregate their portfolios, maybe use other players for specific banking services. And I think for us it's going to be very important to open up, to enable clients to insource their data, insource their portfolios and their assets and liabilities to our systems, so that we can represent the total wealth and show them the total opportunity, irrespective of where they actually have their assets. So it's going to be quite important for us to continue to open up to our clients and provide the services that they have with us, but also that they have with other banks. Given the digitization efforts that we've been undertaking for quite a long time, we already have built many APIs and layers to actually transact and expose client data. At the moment, mostly to our internal channels, but now with PSD2, in regions where we are legally obliged to do so, which is for us mainly Luxembourg, we will use these technologies to also then open up if clients desire to exchange their data. So we have a couple of specific projects ongoing to build these publicly available APIs with all the authentication and security mechanisms around them. But in principle, we've already undertaken quite a lot of work in delayering and making the information available purely for our own internal channels where we need this information anyway. I think the key benefit could be that clients find our offering useful, that they find our servicing competitive, and that they decide to encourage a multi-banking relationship with us via an aggregator, even if their main bank is maybe a competitor to us. So if clients see specific product needs that they can fulfill better with Credit Suisse, they may consider us as an additional banking relationship in addition to their main bank that they already have, because an aggregator would probably, you know, aggregate these services for them. The other opportunity is that hopefully we can win clients who have one relationship with us to do other things with us in addition, because now with the visibility that they have and the access, they find it useful to probably consider Credit Suisse in addition to their existing bank.